Let's start with preparing the DNA extraction. Add 250 ml of distilled water into a beaker. Add 5 spatulas of salt into the same beaker. Measure 20 ml of dishwashing liquid into another beaker. Pour the dishwashing liquid into the mixture of salt and distilled water. Mix, mix, mix. Put 3 strawberries into a reusable bag and crush it for 2 minutes. Pour 20 ml of the extraction liquid into the strawberries bag. Seal the bag tightly and squeeze the strawberry mixture for 1 minute. Pour the strawberry mixture into a beaker using a strainer. Let it drip into the beaker until only a little amount of liquid is left. After that, pour the contents into a 50 ml tube. Measure 22.5 ml of cold rubbing ethanol. Pour the liquid into the tube. Dip a glass rod into the tube and pull up the glass rod. There it is! Strawberry DNA! Put the strawberry's DNA into a microcentrifuge tube. Add 2.25 ml of glycerin into the extracted DNA. Let's move on to gel electrophoresis. First thing first, we need to prepare the gel. Prepare the stated ingredients. Heat the gel solution for 10 minutes. Make sure to avoid the mixture from bubbling when heated. Repeat the process until the solution is translucent. When the solution cold enough to touch, quickly pour the solution into a shallow box container. Position the comb across the narrow side of the container and avoid each end of the comb from touching the container wall. Let the gel solidify. Let's move on to setting up the electrode. After the gel is solidified, use a knife to cut away the bottom half of the gel and a thin strip from the top of the gel. Place 1 electrode each at the top and bottom end of the gel. Make sure to avoid the electrode not to touch the gel. With that, let's prepare the samples. Pour in just enough buffer to cover the solidified gel. Gently remove the comb. Now, let's pipette each sample, starting with methylene blue. Next, DNA sample. Lastly, food colorings. Now let's run the gel electrophoresis. Connect the leads from the power supply to the electrodes. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. And for the last step is staining the gel. Turn off the power supply and remove the wire. Add 3 drops of methylene blue onto the gel and gently agitate the box to allow even staining. You can add more drops if necessary. Leave it for 5 minutes and observe.